So I just bought this Samsung microwave oven. It has a ceramic coating, 23 liters, 800 watts, and there's the model number. The box contained basically just the oven. The glass plate was separated so it won't break. And then there were these two papers, the warranty card, and then there is the manual. And that was all. I think it's very good looking, very shiny. Here is the glass plate. The door is a bit flimsy. There's only one rubber feet underneath the microwave, but it works pretty well. It doesn't move too easily. And if you open or close the door, it stays in place. I tried it on two other surfaces as well. And here is the back side. One thing I think is good is that the electric cord doesn't take any extra space. It can bend and stay behind this level. Notice that the outside dimension for depth, that is in this manual and also in the websites, which is about 37 centimeters, that includes the handle. So if you measure from the door to the back side, it's a bit less, about 33 centimeters. That was kind of important for me to know that the microwave fits into my kitchen. Let's turn on the power. The first thing you need to do is set the clock. So you press the clock button here. You can first change the display mode, and then when you start turning this upper knob, you can change hours and 10 minutes. And that's that. I would have liked that there was a third option here to set the clock off, to hide it, because I don't really need that, and once it's there I need to update it for daylight saving times, and that's an annoyance. The lower knob is for cooking power from 1 to 800 watts, and the upper one is for time, and it will start automatically. You can increase or decrease the time while it's running. One bad side I think is that you can't really see through the door. You can't, for example, know when the water is starting to boil. It makes 4 quite loud beeps, but luckily if you can cancel the cooking by turning the time knob to 0, and it will only make a single short beep, like that. Let's make a little comparison test with my very old Daewoo microwave to get a rough estimate how much noise does the Samsung produce. I would say that the Samsung was slightly louder. And now with the overall assessment, bad things first. I think the biggest one is that you can't see through the door. The second is the clock, you can't hide it, and also it's a bit noisy. The good things, the biggest one, the reason why I bought this is that it's very simple. It has only three controls, and that's all I need. And it's pretty good looking. So overall I'm very happy that I bought the product.